Hey guys, I'm working on this myself right now, and I know some of you are working on it, but really like everyone to do all three classes in Boomtown and get Boomtown certified, and then there's advanced classes after that. I've learned a lot, and I've been using Boomtown for a long time, so I recommend you guys do it. They're all webinars, and I'm going to show you here how to sign up for them. It's not that difficult. Log in under your account, under the support button here, click the support button, go to training. And then my view is a little bit different, so I have to change it. Yours should just look like this from the beginning. And then what you want to do is go over on live sessions. And you're going to want to sign up for the first one. It'll say day one of fundamentals. Let's see if I can find one on here. Mine might not be on there anymore because there we go. Here's what it look like this. Day one, fundamentals lead experience. Start there, and it will record that you're doing them. I'm going to sign up for day 3 right now, tomorrow at 10 a.m. I know a couple of you have started and maybe not finished, so maybe just look into this. This would be a good time of year to do this. So October 4th, 10 a.m., register. Okay, so there you go. I got that signed up. And I would just go through there, learn some cool stuff today about targeted marketing using tags, and they do have some sort of transaction coordination in there now. So I thought that was pretty cool also. So just want to give everybody a heads up on that, and hopefully you find that helpful. And please have as many people do it as possible because it also helps us out with Boomtown a little bit. Thank you. Have a great day.